We're going to be showing you how to do a dry brine using kosher salt. So I got a ribeye steak here, and we're going to give it a nice coating of salt. Got the steak here. It's been 2 days, 48 hours, and it's ready to go. So we're gonna get some olive oil on there, and then we're gonna use some rub. We're gonna try the Hay Grill Hay beef rub. All right, so here we go. Let's get the rub on there. Go ahead and get this on the grill. Alright, so we're looking at a grill temp of 225. And I have the food probe set to go off at 115 internal temperature. Alright, so we got the internal temperature up to 115. We use a probe to find out. Now we're bumping up the temperature all the way up to 500 degrees so we can do a reverse sear on it. So I'm just gonna let this sit for a few minutes, get that up to temp, and get the steak back on it for a sear. We've reached 500. Time to go put that steak on. Let's get this on the grill. Yeah. Let's take a look.